Whoa. Man, listen, everybody and their mother, I woke up this morning, is bullish. The thumbnails, the open mouth, breakout is coming, And listen, don't get me wrong, I'm not disagreeing with that. I do think that Bitcoin is going to see higher prices here, and I think the Bitcoin's going to see higher prices here relatively soon. However, we need to slow our motherfucking horses right now a little bit, and I gotta tell you what is going on right now, okay? So first things first, I haven't shorted, me, the perma bear, hasn't shorted in over 2 weeks, okay? I've been very, very bullish thus far. I've been publicly open about it on the channel, and it's crazy that now that there's the first glimpse of weakness is when everybody and their mother is doing the thumbnail. So I'm gonna hopefully, if it happens, okay, trading is all probabilities, so I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been pretty on point lately. Hopefully I'm going to save you a little bit of money right now, because you're going to probably wake up the way that I woke up. You're going to see those thumbnails the way that I saw those thumbnails. You're going to hit long, not the way that I hit long. So I'm going to hopefully save you a little bit of money right now, okay? So, I mean, you do you. I'm not your dad. I'm not your father, okay? I'm just the lead singer of Kiss. But let's talk about what's going on right now, okay? We're going to keep it local. I don't care about the macro shit. I'm not, I really don't care. Yeah, we have equal lows, but we have an SMT between ETH and Bitcoin. I don't really care, okay? We're talking about locally. I'm talking about this local range, okay? What's the range? This is your range high. This was your original range high. This is your range low. We are always looking for distributions. We are always looking for accumulations. We have potentially just put in our second tap of a distribution to potentially reaccumulate, because we're in a higher time frame uptrend, and then send prices to the upside. Now, elephant in the room. I'm wearing long hair, but that's not what we're talking about. I am fully expecting Bitcoin to make its way up to 88.7K, take out these really, really ugly highs on high time frame. Whoops, right over here. Very like on higher time frame structure. I'm 100% expecting Bitcoin to come up and take out these levels, but I need to try to save you a bag if I can, okay? We're seeing signs of a little bit of concern, okay? Let me just tell you the plan, and then you do you. Like I said, you do you, okay? What do we have? Locally, we have our range, right? You had your first tap of your range, and now you just had your second tap of your range while you confirmed structure. Automatically off the bat, this is telling me that we have a short trade. Remember, I have not shorted in over 2 weeks, okay? I've been gig along, in fact. I am expecting now Bitcoin, because remember, what's your range? You have your range low, you have your range high, and you have all this liquidity being generated to the bottom, especially on the same day that I woke up and everybody's thumbnail is so aggressively bullish talking about a breakout. Not exactly what you want to see, or good confluence for the short trade. Now, understanding that they could come and take that liquidity, we also need to understand that this is your tap one right over here, and you have an inducement block, 45-minute and 30-minute block, down at just under 82.7K, okay? So, long story short, here's what I'm expecting over the next couple days. Down and then up. Remember, I do think that we are going to hit 88 point whatever, and potentially even higher, maybe 90, maybe 95, but I don't think it's going to be from here. It could be from here, but I don't think it's going to be from here. I think we're going to come down to 82. I think we're going to sweep this liquidity, sweep this sell side, okay? And then we're going to go to the upside. And that's why I needed to make this emergency video for you, because no one is saying that. They're just saying break out to 90K, break out to 95K. And although, yes, it's possible that they do break out to 90 whatever K, I don't think it's very probable right now, just because of the way that the price action has developed over the past couple weeks, or however long this range was. How long has this been ranged? Couple days, few days, my apologies. Few days. I don't think it's very probable. So right now, what I'm telling you is, if I see any lower time frame, 2-3 minute, I don't care. Any 2-3 minute market structure flip coming out of here, oh my goodness, that is a giga short. TP1 and full close at 82.7 is going to be my play. If we come up and we sweep this high yet again, which I don't think is likely, but if we do come up and we sweep that high again, full short, down to 82.7K. I told you guys in the last video, I think it was the last video, when we were, where were we? We were somewhere, and I said, I don't think there's any shorts to be had. Even the thumbnail was like, it said no shorts until further notice. This is motherfucking further notice, okay? Because I said no shorts until this number got hit, and the number got hit, and it happened perfectly and whatever, and now we're here. And now, I'm not going to say no longs until here, because there is a potential that it just continues higher. But I mean, like, let's be real. The odds of everyone with their open mouth thumbnail, like, being correct is not very likely. And just the way that the price action has developed, not very likely. If we were to break up above this and hold this level, I would then be looking for a PO3. Like, until those lows go, it doesn't look good to me. So it would look something like this, where this would be your range. I'm not going to do the whole color thing because, you know, we're not. Let's just say it does this. I would still classify this as my range. This would be my manipulation. This would be my distribution. And I actually think this would be more bearish. I think it's more bullish if we come down now as opposed to coming back to that high. Anyways, that's my update for now. So look, again, you do you. Things change in real time. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want me in real time, join the Nexus. The link for that is in the description down below. It is my premium network, which offers you my courses. Everything that I say in this video and every other video, you get to learn it. Included in your membership, you get access to myself, my real time, my streams that I do every single morning. You know what's funny is that every morning I wake up and I'm like, maybe I should stream on YouTube today. And then I'm like, nah. Anyways, you get access to me every day, my levels, my calls, my setups, blah, blah, blah. We shorted this, so we'll see what happens. And yeah, I mean, if you want to join that, the link for that is in the description down below. It is actually the #1 network. Everyone says that, but I mean, no one's got shit on the Nexus, sorry to say, but we're the most active. And yeah, by the way, big shout out to Zach, who made 10K this month. And anyways, see you later.